Hello there and welcome back to Money Move. Do you often think about your retirement years? Like how will you take care of your daily expenses or how much will you need to carry on with your current lifestyle? Then my friend, it's crucial that you start saving towards these goals immediately and invest in a plan that will provide assured benefits on maturity. This is where Pramerica Life Rakshak Smart with Enhanced Life option comes in. The plan gives a guaranteed income and a savings booster which can be utilized to finance your post-retirement lifestyle with ease. Let's understand how this works. Rakesh, a healthy 40-year-old man, wants to save for his post-retirement days so that he can continue to live an independent life. He opts for Enhanced Life option with a policy term of 20 years and premium payment term of 12 years. He pays an annual premium of 3 lakh rupees and his base sum assured is 21.34 lakh rupees. Now, if Rakesh survives till the end of the policy term, he will receive a guaranteed annual income from the 21st year for 5 years and an assured savings booster in the final year with the last annual income. This way, Rakesh will receive a total of 228% more than what he paid in the premiums and is assured that his retirement years will be worry-free. Now, in case of Rakesh's sad demise at the end of the first year, his beneficiary will receive an immediate death benefit along with monthly income for the rest of the policy term and also a lump sum benefit at maturity. Rakesh's nominee will receive a total amount of 1.66 crore rupees. Also, the tax benefits are applicable on premiums paid and on benefits received as per the prevailing income tax law. Now, the best part is that this plan is brought to you by Pramerica Life Insurance that has given over 15 years of unwavering commitment to protecting millions of lives in India. So what are you waiting for? Just follow these simple steps and take the right step to power your dreams. Please don't hesitate to contact us and explore potential solutions that align with your goals. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.